Good morning, everyone. Um, we're working towards hopefully gonna be passing these evals today, and got three more. So let's see. Today, I mean, we've gotten down. Um, Obviously, this is the daily chart, so we're just looking at. Looks like we're going down. I just want to mark off some dailies. This low right here. We'll do daily low right here. Those are red. We'll do orange for the 4 hour. So I mean, we've already passed through this daily, so I'm not really interested in that one. So we'll see. We're gonna go down to the 4 hour. Of course, it doesn't give me anything. All right. Let's see. Definitely like. Definitely, yeah. That's where the pivot point would be. I don't see anything on the 4 hour. I mean, this right here, it did push through here. It did it to this fair value gap, but it came right back up. So, I don't really see anything here that. Well, there is a level here. Yeah, really, let's see. Mark that. Mark that as an orange. I mean, this, yeah, the 4 hour here doesn't really make any difference right here. It's going to push through that. Let's go down to the 60-minute. So we have a little bit of some support here. So, I mean, I like this one. This line right here. It's really right about here. So we'll make that like yellow. We even have a yellow. Yeah, we got yellow. So, 60-minute. Again, we're waiting. It just started. See if we have anything going on as far as a calendar. We don't really have anything going on. We've got FMOC, the C speaks at 10 a.m. So let's try to be out of the trade at 10 a.m. See what he's saying. Testifying. No big deal. So let's see what else we've got going on. So this trend line, I believe it pushed it on the 15-minute trend line, but do want to this is a 60-minute level right here. Really interested in that one. And we will make that let's see, what's the lightest green we've got? Light green and this doesn't really do any. I like that one too. So if we do go up, and obviously we've got this hour as well. So let's break it down to the 15-minute. See what we've got going on for the day. Well, let's see. We gotta log in and see what oil's up to, obviously. What's the price of oil? Oil's just going sideways. It's fantastic. Again, this is a 60-minute. Oh, 15. Yeah, 15-minute trend line. Let's see what happens if it can bump up to here. It's going to continue its way down. But, you know, we've got, what, 10 more minutes? And then we will start trading. Gotta fix my area right here. This area right here. I'm gonna, so I can display both of my accounts that I'm trading, because I'm only trading 2 at a time. So I'll fix that today, guys. Let's see. But so far, we're just waiting for that 15-minute candle to close. Seeing what type of candle it is. Well, right now it's not really saying anything as far as, you know, which direction it wants to go, but that's okay. Let's see, we got this little 5 minute. This, I wouldn't even worry about this. This is just a pullback. Oil's pumping up. Oil made a lower low or lower high and now a lower low. But it's still in a upward trend from 8 o'clock. See what the overall trend is. Now we're in a downtrend. Well, yeah, we're still in a downtrend. Hasn't really broke any structure here. Gonna draw a line. So let's see, I mean, it looks like it's gonna be going down, which means we'll be going up, but you know, that candle's looking like it's just a doji. It's a green doji, it's just still a doji, it's nothing telling us, you know, buyers and sellers are fighting. So we'll just have to see if we can make a trade. It'd be cool to make 1,000, it'd be great to make 1,000. Today, you know, I'm always just all I care about is 500. Just getting that 500. Yesterday we made about 8. So that was nice. So if oil dumps today, you know, I'm really going to be looking for this move right here. As you can see, oil way over here. Can we go for this one right here? Well, we could go for that. That pivot point. But again, I don't really see anything 30-minute. And this is all crazy. That was all crazy the other day. May 28th. Just shut the hell right up. Looks like oil got rejected. So going down, going up for us here. 2 more minutes. Nice little channel right here. Just bouncing up. I mean, it could just do that. Bounce, bounce. But we'll see. Alright, 15-minute closed. So now let's break down to the 5-minute. See if we can get a closure from that. So again, we just want to wait for a 5-minute closure. Got 4 minutes left. If it does close, I'm going to be looking for a retest to the 15-minute orb. And then, you know, by that time we can take this little drop right here. If it does go our way, obviously. Oil is going down, so we are looking at it come right back up. Oil did go up big time. Oil went up 100 points. It's crazy. Oil tried to make a lower low, but it did not succeed. We're coming back down. Getting to that 50% of the orb. I mean, you could take a trade off that. It does reach up there. Going to the 50% of this, which is pretty much, it's losing steam. You can see on the 1 minute time frame, but losing steam right up there in the 50. Gonna come back down. That's a fail. Take a higher high. So we've got a lower low and a higher low. So could we take this trade? Yeah, we could. We could. But it's not done yet. Can we take this short? No. Because the oil is dumping big time right now. I almost want to take this long here. Oil's like really dumping. Oil's dumping big time. So we'll just sell this here. We'll get out of that trade. It's a bad trade. What are we down? 123 bucks. Not bad. So oil did dump, but NQ didn't follow the pump. So yeah, we could have taken that short. That short would have been nice. 60 points. But oil, to me, it just broke structure. Definitely. Just want to get right back into this one, but we'll see. Yeah, should have. I'm just gonna go into it. I'm going to put the stop here. Stop here. And I'm going to just let it rip all the way up here. And let it rip all the way up here. I mean, we're good here, guys. That's $578. That's for the day. Like I said, I'm trying to just be consistent. That works for me. We're at 52,000. We got 1,000 left to pass these accounts, so I'm just trying to be a profitable trader, trying to get those accounts up where you can just take payouts. When I get better, definitely I'll be able to read the charts better and then take those longer trades. But man, that's all I needed. That's all you need. $500 a day. We're not trying to, if you have 20 Apex accounts and you do 500, you can do the math. So it's not bad. Yeah, it's 10 grand. So that's in a day for one $500 trade. So that works. As you can see, we're up on both accounts, 578 and 593. Again, that's all we need for the day. So looks like it's definitely going down. I mean, we could check for 5 minute. Could trade a little bit longer. See where it's going. Obviously, it did not. It went into the middle of the orb, and it just started coming back down. The oil's starting to come back up. But I don't even want to be in here in these trades when MOC, when the Treasury Secretary speaks. Oh, this is really like support, resistance right here. This is support. If we could close down on this, can we see it coming down? I could see that happening. Oil that's breaking through. Just broke through all these lows from 8 o'clock. It's about to. It wants to. It's got a bunch of support around the 92.34. There it goes. It just popped down. Alright, we should see oil just pump. I really want to take this trade. 32, it's 20 points. Hmm. And we could have made some good money there. But it's coming back down. I'm not worried about it. You know, it's in the 5 minutes fair, you know, it made a higher high, made a lower low, and it's failing to make a higher high. So, you know, in my eyes, it's coming down. And I really want to take this trade right here, this sell. Take this sell. Let's see, come on. I'm gonna take this sell. It's alright. I will just make it the buy stop right here. Buy stop. It's just a risky trade, obviously. But there it is. We got 1,000 for the day. I'm cool with that. Same thing as yesterday, so good job, guys. Oh, that's all we need. It's looking good. So we basically have got 500 bucks left on this Apex account and 300 or 700 on the other one. Now again, like, I don't know where oil's gonna go right now. It's just kind of been bouncing around. Last 5 minutes in a range. And I really would love to take this trade too, because this is seems like I like this trade a lot. As far as a buy, but again, oil is just says in this range. There's no real direction. But it is dumping again. Really want to see. It would be great. I would want to take this trade because it's really there's not a huge stop loss, and then have it come up to here. But I don't know if oil's gonna go with me. I want to go down here. I'll sell stop here and a sell stop here. Let's see if we can get it like up to here. Oh, we need to come back up. Yeah, oil's getting a lot of pressure. We need to come back up. Actually went the wrong direction. Should have bought a buy and sell, but it's okay. We'll close these out. Because I went the wrong direction. Should have taken a sell. That's where I wanted to go. That was my bad. So I lost 300 on that. So I wanted to come down here. I wanted to take a trade here, put the stop loss here, and come down here. It's alright though. But anyways, listen, I'm not gonna test it. You know, we're 900 bucks away from passing these evals, so let's count this as a win and be done with it for the day. And you guys have a great day. And